Hello everyone, welcome to another Cyan Orange review. We present once more our review on another course from Wingfox, Brushes, Techniques, and Steps of Impasto Painting. This course has around 5 hours of video material, and it's divided into 4 chapters. Once again, this course uses Photoshop, so users who make use of this software might be more comfortable throughout the lessons. The lecturer of this course is Cyan, a visual designer and illustrator who is currently working for the Timmy Studio Group. Without anything else to add, let's begin. The course comes with 19 video lessons. These lessons can only be watched in their app or through their website. Additionally, the course comes with the brushes the artist used. Let's take a look. The brushes pack is quite big, and some of the brushes are named in Chinese, so it's hard for us to determine whether these brushes were organized or not. We tried numerous brushes, and found some very awesome painting ones, as well as some that are designed to be used with the smudge tool or the mixer brush tool. We also found some common brushes for grass, trees, and other landscape painting elements. Overall, it's a very nice brush set. It seems to be complete with everything any artist might need, and if you take your time to organize them with English names or the language of your preference, it might be a very valuable acquisition. The course currently doesn't come with a PSD file of the illustration, so you will only get the brushes for now. As we mentioned before, the course has 19 video lessons that are divided into 3 chapters. We will give you a brief summary of what each chapter is about. The course starts with a chapter dedicated to theory, which honestly was a very pleasant surprise. Most courses we've reviewed in Wingfox so far start with an introduction chapter about the artist's references, how they set up their working space, and so on. In this course, the lecturer starts with simple theory videos briefly explaining the human head, lighting, color temperatures, and how to use blurriness in your painting. Each video covers its topic briefly, so don't expect an in-depth tutorial on color theory or how light works. However, it is super useful to have these intro videos about the foundation skills an artist needs to understand before engaging with the painting. Overall, a great introductory chapter. Next, we have Chapter 2, dedicated to facial features. In this chapter, the lecturer shows us very good demos on each key part of portrait painting. We have a video lesson for each part of the face, such as the eyes, nose, and mouth. This chapter was, once again, a pleasant surprise, since we have seen very few workshops that dedicate lessons to cover human anatomy and foundation skills. Here, Cyan gives us good tips to solve each facial feature, and also provides very useful lessons on rendering the shadows, simplifying the shapes of the ear for example, and understanding the skull shape while we draw and paint. Overall, a great chapter. Finally, we have Chapter 3, that concentrates on the actual painting we see in the cover of the course. Cyan gives us a step-by-step of her painting, showing us a very traditional way to approach digital painting. She only uses one layer for her whole artwork, and works very similar to how one would with an oil painting. This chapter is fantastic, and we get to see how she works her way from the blocking of the basic shapes to the refining process of the painting, with extraordinary dedication to details. It was, overall, a great chapter, but there is a downside, unfortunately, that affects the experience of the course. We noticed in Lesson 17, at around 11 minutes, the video lesson just suddenly stops, and we get this replay button. Now the lesson lasts a total of 24 minutes, and the video always stops at this point. We took a look at the comments, and found that this problem has been already reported by the users, and Wingfox still hasn't fixed the issue. This is the only video lesson affected by this problem, but we do think the course should be working perfectly, so hopefully Wingfox fixes the issue ASAP. Alright, now it's time to give our opinion of the course. We will give the pros and cons as usual, so let's begin. The video and sound quality are good. The voice quality is okay, but beware of her pronunciation. For those who are picky with this, we will leave a sample of her voice here so you can judge it for yourselves.
This is the nasal radix. Now we can add some lighting effect in an easy way. So if we are patient enough and draw a good picture in the beginning.
It includes the brush set the artist used in her painting. No time limit to watch the course. You can take your time and watch this course with no time limit to access it. Perfect course for artists of all levels. We recommend this course to beginners and intermediate artists. The course contains full demos and important foundation skill lessons. The course is organized and well structured. The chapters are nicely labeled, and the order of content is appropriate. The price is okay, but we recommend that you buy it on sale. Currently, the course is 43% off. It doesn't work on Opera browser. It does work in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge while we tested it. The course could use subtitles. The pronunciation is decent, but the subtitles would be a great addition to the course in our opinion. It doesn't have the PSD file of the illustration. Every course, in our opinion, should include the PSD file so students can properly see the illustration and the layers used. Currently, the course has one corrupted video lesson. Wingfox needs to fix this issue as soon as they possibly can. Alright then, once again we have reached the end of this review. So, do we recommend this course? Yes, it's great! The course has amazing knowledge that beginners will really benefit from. Intermediate artists will also learn a lot, in our opinion, and we want to remind you that the first 2 chapters focus on foundation skills and human anatomy, something that's a bit rare to see in courses like these. The course is not perfect, that's true, but for us it's still worth the money. However, we do recommend that you buy it once it's on sale. Thanks again for joining us in another Cyan Orange review. We will leave the promo code and the link to the course in the description. And also remember, we have a Patreon. You can support our studio and get exclusive content like comics and illustrations. We also recently started a Ko-Fi. You can give us a tip there if you liked our content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.